Hi guys, Just Selfie here. Welcome to my channel and all of my new subbies. Hey. Welcome to the MVP family. I call you guys my MVPs because you guys are the most valuable players and you're the reason why my channel rocks. And today's video is all about my rice water wash routine. This is part 2 from part 1, which was all about the process in making the rice water. So I'm going to let you know what I do, and then I'm just going to show you the process. So basically I'm starting out, before I apply the rice water, I'm going to shampoo my hair. The shampoo that I used is the Hello Hydration shampoo. I'm going to make sure my hair is thoroughly clean, and then I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner as well as my rice water. The first thing I do first is spray the rice water all over my hair, especially around the crown, and massage the edges. As you see in the video, my edges very sparse and very thin, but I'm starting to notice from using this within the past 2.5-3 weeks, I'm starting to notice some growth in my edges and growth in those thin spots and areas, and I wanted to show you those thin spots and areas. Yes, it's a bit embarrassing, but I want to be real. I want to show you what the locks really did to my hair, how the locks were falling out really even at the crown of the hair, and I want to show you what I'm working with from the very beginning, so you can really see my growth process and in the process that I am taking to grow my hair back out to the way that it used to be and even longer. So yes, I take that rice water, I shake it up, I spray it and massage it all over. I'm going to go in with my deep conditioner. Now this is a new deep conditioner that I am using on my hair to help repair and bring my hair back to life, give it some strength, and it is the Africa's Best Original Hair Mayonnaise. You may not be able to see it, but this is what I am using after I apply the rice water on top of the rice water on my hair, and then I'm taking a plastic cap covering my hair, and I'm going to sit with my heat cap, which is the Golden Hot Professional Conditioning Heat Cap. I sit with this for about 10 to 15 minutes because I am low porosity, everything out, and I'm doing my wash routine, my wash and go routine. If you want a video on the specifics of my wash and go routine, I will do that as well. But it's pretty basic because the hair is shorter. So basically I'm taking my leave-in. The leave-in that I'm using right now is Coconut Restore Curl Control Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to talk about my reintroduction with coconut oil back into my hair routine, because a while back, I don't know if you guys remember, I had a video about me developing a coconut oil sensitivity, and I had stopped using coconut oil for a long time, almost maybe 6 months, 6 to 10 months. I stopped using coconut oil, but now I'm starting to slowly introduce coconut oil and products with coconut oil back into my routine, and I'll talk about that in a separate video, but I will link the previous video in the description box below or in the cards, so you guys can check that video out to see what I was talking about. And I use that, and then I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel. Yes, I have not found a gel that I really like more than my Eco Styler right now. So I'm using the Eco Styler, the green one, the olive oil one, and I'm using that, and I'm basically going all around the hair, starting on this side, and I'm applying the gel to my hair. Now, I've gotten some questions. What about the Wetline Extreme Gel? I have a video which is probably 2, maybe 3 years old, me reviewing. I was one of the first people to ever review that gel. So if you want to see a video about that gel, my thoughts on that gel, then you can take a look at that. I'll link that in the description box below as well. But I also am thinking about retrying that gel. I'm going to be starting a series on my channel where I'm going to be reintroducing and retrying some products that I have tried in the past, whether they worked well or whether they have worked terribly on my hair, just to see how they're working on my hair now. I know that my hair has gone through a lot of changes with me going from loose natural to locks and back to loose natural. So I know that certain products that didn't work back then may work for my hair now, and vice versa. So I will be starting a series about that as well. So I want you guys to take a look at this wash routine so you can see specifically how I applied the products, how I applied the rice water, exactly how I massaged it into my scalp, so you get all of the visuals that you need. And if you have any questions about the rice water, then let me know in the comment section. Also, make sure that you are subscribed and you hit that bell button so you can get your notifications, because I upload 2 to 3 times a week. I'm very consistent here on YouTube. Also, make sure you follow me on my social medias, which is down in the description box below as well. And if you have any video suggestions or ideas or things that you want me to do or products you want me to try out, then make sure that you let me know. I'm excited to be back doing my loose natural hair tutorials, videos, showing you how I am getting it from this small TWA back to where my hair was before and even longer. So make sure that you stay locked to my channel, and alright, I'll see you guys next time.